Welcome to this tutorial on Kotlin Coroutines. In this video, first, let's start with the basics. A coroutine is simply a way to perform asynchronous programming in Kotlin. In other words, it's a lightweight thread that can be used to execute code concurrently. To start using coroutines in your code, you will first need to add the following dependencies to your project's build Gradle file. Once you've added the dependencies, you can start using coroutines in your code. Here's an example of how to create a coroutine. The global scope launch function creates a new coroutine that runs in the background. Any code inside the coroutines block will be executed concurrently with the main thread. But what if you want to perform some long-running operation inside the coroutine, like a network request or a database query? You don't want to tie up the main thread by making it wait for the operation to finish. That's where suspending functions come in. A suspending function is a function that can be paused and resumed later without blocking the thread. Here's an example of a suspending function. To call a suspending function inside a coroutine, you'll need to use the withContext function. Here's an example. The withContext function tells the coroutine to switch. Once the function finishes, the coroutine switches back to the main thread and continues executing where it left off. And that's it. With coroutines, you can perform asynchronous programming in Kotlin without the complexity of traditional threads. Happy coding! Thanks for watching and happy coding!